Hello guys, Alex here. Thanks for joining our webinar today. This webinar is dedicated to the Link Assistant application, and this tool aims to help you find your potential link prospects. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the chat room, and I'll be answering them after I finish my review. So let's begin. And as soon as you start and as soon as you install and start your Link Assistant tool, it will open and ask you to create your first project. So you need to enter the domain that you would like to promote, and the project setup is very simple. So you just enter the domain, and it will open this empty workspace. And don't be afraid, this is exactly how it is supposed to look like, because you don't have any partners in this project yet. So the idea of Link Assistant is to help you find your potential link partners. And for that, Link Assistant uses different search methods. So to start looking for link prospects, you need to click the Look for Prospects button, and it will open up a list of search methods that are available in Link Assistant. As you see, there are pretty many of them. For instance, like to search for blogs that allow guest posting, to search for review sites, to search for posts or blogs that allow commenting, search for websites that offer giveaways, and many other search methods that you can find in Link Assistant. One of them is to search, also allows you to search for your competitors' backlinks, or if you choose to analyze your own backlink profile, you may choose your backlinks, and then in this case, Link Assistant will find backlinks that your website already has. If you don't want to use any of those methods, but you would like to create your own custom search, you can switch to the custom search field. And in this case, you will need to enter um, the keywords or search query that you would like Link Assistant to send to Google. So Link Assistant will send the search query that you type here directly to Google and retrieve the results that Google will provide for you. But if you don't want to, or you are not sure how to create your own queries, you may go back to the list of methods and select the method you would like to use. For instance, guest posting. Go to next tab, and here you need to enter your target keywords. So the keywords that actually describe your niche in the best way. So those keywords, these are it will look for partners that best match your search query. For instance, SEO tools or SEO software, something like this. At next step, you are able to set the status for your new partners that will be found by Link Assistant, or it is also possible to add some tags. So all new partners will be automatically marked with the tags that you indicate here. And step number 4, you may choose what type of information should be collected for the newly found partners. You may tell Link Assistant to acquire title and description for backlink pages, or also to acquire contact information. If you enable these options, this will make actually the search time a bit. This will increase the search time. That's why if you want just a quick list of backlink or of link partners, I recommend you to disable these options, but at the same time enable these get exact URLs, because otherwise Link Assistant will collect only domain names. So if you want to get exact URLs, enable this option. So you hit finish, and Link Assistant will start searching for new partners. And as soon as it finishes, it will provide you with the list of partners that have been found. And so now you will have the exact URLs, and we'll also be able to check the title of the partner, a page title, and also check every partner for a list of different factors, such as the in-link rank, domain in-link rank, then Uh, at the edit menu, you're able to choose also from the list of almost 40 different factors, such as social media popularity, Facebook likes and shares, and many other factors that you can check your partners for. The in-link rank is one of the most important factors that you may pay attention, because it helps you to understand the quality of your potential partner, backlink partner. So this in-link rank score indicates the importance of a backlink page. So the higher is the score, the more important that specific page is. And depending on that, you will be able to decide whether this partner has quality website, or uh, maybe it makes no sense to try to get backlinks from that specific website if the in-link rank is very low. Um, once you once you have selected your backlink prospects that you would like to contact, you may uh, open preferences, then go to email management, and connect your uh, email address to LinkAssistant. It may be actually any type of email. Just make sure that it supports POP protocol, because right now our LinkAssistant is not adjusted to IMAP protocol, so it should your POP protocol should be enabled and active on your email account. Um, and once you connect your email, you can start sending emails to your potential prospects. To do that, just select them in your project workspace, click email, and it will open up this predefined email template that you may use. Or at the very top here, there is the drop-down menu where you can select other predefined email templates that will be sent to your email to your prospects. At the same time, if you don't like the predefined email templates, you may create your own email template. To do that, go to Preferences, Email Management, Edit Email Templates, and click to create a new one. Or you may edit the existing email templates right here. Just pay attention that email templates are using different variables that stand for such information as backlink, as partner's domain, partner's backlink page, etc. So if you want to use these variables, you need to make sure that you place them correctly as they're given here in the email template. So you can switch to the template code and make sure that the variables are properly used. So once you add or edit or add your own email template, so you might go back and select that template from the list here and click send, and the email will be sent to the selected prospects. And inside the LinkAssistant, you will find the built-in email client, where you will be able to see the emails that have been sent to your prospects, and also you will be able to receive response that your partners will be sending back to you. So this works the same way as Microsoft Outlook or any other email client. So you can keep your emails here and receive response and send back your answers, etc. So just do all the communication with your partners within the LinkAssistant tool. Um, One more thing that you may use in LinkAssistant is to verify your existing backlinks. So for instance, if a backlink partner has put a backlink to your website on his page, you are able to verify the status of that backlink. To do that, first you need to create an anchor text in your project settings. So for that, you go to Preferences, prospect management anchor settings. And here you may create your anchor settings. So I have already created a few, but you may create actually as many as you want. For instance, I give the anchor tag, some description here, and then I go back to my project, select the partners. For instance, I have these partners, and I suppose that they should have backlinks to my website already. So I select these partners, right-click, choose change anchor text, and then I select from the list of anchor text the one that I want to assign to this partner. So this partner should have the anchor URL and anchor text, use the same anchor URL and anchor text as I assigned here. And then, so I have assigned, and then I can verify these prospects by clicking the verify button. Choose to scan only the current page, click OK, and then LinkAssistant will start verifying these partners. And as soon as it finishes, it will actually show me the real status of those backlinks. So right now, it has verified my backlink prospects, my partners, and it shows me that some of them they do have a backlink to my website, but they are using wrong anchor. So the backlink is actually there, but it is using wrong anchor. So I may actually contact these partners again and ask them to change the backlink anchor text if I want. So, or at the same time, I see that some partners are no longer having backlinks to me. So again, I can contact them and ask them to put it back or do some other, offer something else just to make them link back again to me, to my website. Actually, this option allows you to create and to arrange different backlink schemes. For instance, let me show you. For instance, I have two websites. The main website is SEOpowersuite.com and my ally website is linkassistant.com. And I want my partner's website to put a backlink not to my SEOpowersuite.com domain, but to my linkassistant.com domain. But I want to track backlinks both for my SEOpowersuite.com and linkassistant.com within my project here. So how can I do that? I need to go again to preferences, anchor settings, and create a new anchor setting for linkassistant.com. So I have created a new anchor setting here, and then for instance, these partners have to put backlinks not to my SEOpowersuite.com but to my linkassistant.com website. So I again change anchor settings and assign that they should link to my linkassistant.com domain, and that's it. So now once I verify my backlinks, so these backlinks are linking to SEOpowersuite.com, and these need to link back to linkassistant.com, but I can verify them all together. And again, LinkAssistant will automatically check the backlink status and will show me the whether they are linking to the right domains or not. So as you see, again, so some partners are linking back to the right domain, some linking to wrong domain. Maybe they are linking to SEOpowersuite, or just don't have any backlinks at all. So as you see, this way you're able to create this scheme, and actually at the same time you can track and monitor backlinks not only for 1 or 2 domains, but through 3 or 4 domains, because you are able to create as many anchor settings as you want here in your project settings. So not only for 2 domains, but for 3, for 5 if you want. So it's just to create a very advanced scheme, backlink scheme. It is also possible to export backlinks from your SEO Spyglass project to LinkAssistant. So for instance, if I analyze if I have a project in my SEO Spyglass and I'm trying uh, to check my competitors. So I have found a list of backlinks that my competitors have, and I would like them to, and I would like to import them to my Link Assistant project. I can do this easily via the export feature. So I open Spyglass project, go to File, Export. Uh, so I choose the name for the export file. Okay, I click Save. And now my backlinks have been exported to a CSV file. Then I go back to my Link Assistant project. Let me open a fresh one. I go Import, CSV file, then choose this SEO Spyglass export project here, and just follow the steps of the wizard that will ask me to add the type of results I want to my Link Assistant project. So I click Next, just hit finish, and now I have my prospects from Spyglass project added to Link Assistant project. You can also do this manually. For instance, you select some backlinks in your Spyglass project. Just use Ctrl+C button, then go back to Link Assistant, click Add, and now you paste the results. And again, once you click Next, it will add these selected projects to your Link Assistant project. And it is also possible to generate reports in Link Assistant. So once you switch to the report section, it will provide you with brief reports about the backlink information that you have in your current project. So it will indicate the total number of backlinks you have. So how many domains, distribution of domains by top level, domain level, main anchor text used by your backlink partners, etc. These, like in any SEO Power Suite tool, you are able to edit your report template. So once you switch to the edit mode, you will find a list of widgets that you can add to your current report template. Just click the plus button and it will add the widgets to the current report template. You click Save and you have a new report template, or you may create a new report template from scratch if you want so. And these reports can be saved as a PDF or HTML file if you want, or you can also share these reports online by clicking the share button, and it will open you this shareable link that you can then open in your browser and view the report online. But this sharing and saving reports is available only for the enterprise version. So if you're running the professional version, you will be only able to view these reports inside the software. Well, that's basically it. If you have any questions, please ask them in the chat room, and I will be glad to answer your questions. Okay, looks like we have no questions. Then thank you. Okay, hold on. Okay, a question by Carlos. How many backlinks can we check for? Well, there is no limit. You may actually add as many prospects as you want to your project. We do not set any limit for the number of backlinks you may check for. Everything that you find, you can add it to your Link Assistant project. Well, if you, of course, if you have, for instance, 100,000 backlinks added here, and you will try to verify them all. It may just take some time to verify, but again, we don't have any limit for the number of prospects or backlinks you may have in your project. Okay, any more questions? Looks like no more questions, so thank you guys for watching the webinar. And okay, no, one more question. Where can I access more video tutorials about your tools? You might check our website and YouTube channel. So if you go to the linkassistant.com domain, you may switch to the training section where you will find the link to video tutorials. And so you may just have a list of video tutorials here, and you may open any of them and watch any video that you would like. We also have a YouTube channel. You may visit it as well. Okay, you're welcome, Carlos. Okay, looks like that's it, and thanks for watching the webinar, and have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.